Today is Friday, November 18th, and this is the EV Charger SRT Concept Banshee from Iceman Collections. This is only going to be for sale and for 2 more days. You can contact Iceman Collections on his website and get one for yourself, but he's only selling them until the 20th, so if you want one of these, you better hurry. Let's see what's in the box. He's vacuum formed all of the windows, side windows, front window, back window, and the top. Very, very nice. Nice vacuum forming. This little bag has the wheels and tires. These are the resin tires. Nice tread pattern. And the wheels, beautiful. Very delicate, nicely printed. Good stuff. In the back, there's a hole. This little bag we have a taillight piece printed in red clear resin. The mirrors, very delicate, still in the little trees. Very nice. And I'm not sure what this little piece is. It might be like a leftover or something. I'm not sure. But it's clear resin. I'll have to check to see what the word that is. I also ordered the rubber tires. And they are beautiful. I don't know that you can see, but it actually does say Pirelli on it. And it actually has a tire size. I had to look at with a mirror, with a magnifying glass just to look at it, but it's all there. Really, really nice tread pattern. Now for the cut the grass. The body on this, beautiful. Look at that detail. It's got the frat zog in the front. The headlights are in there. It's really smooth. I'm just gonna have to rough this up and primer it. It's beautiful. It's delicate. Very nice print. It won't take much cleanup at all. The back end, we have for the back end, really, really nice detail. Fret zog in the back. An even little texture inside of that little scoop. Beautiful. It is missing a little bit of a corner here. I'll have to contact him about that. Interior tub. It's got really nice molded in detail here. It's got a few little lines in here. You can hardly see them. I think that'll just sand right out. But it's a flat interior. Chassis just a little bit bananaed. I think with some hot water that'll clear right up. But it's a flat bottom, just like you'd expect an EV to be. Nice details. Let's see what's in this bag. Starting off with the steering wheel. It's got a flat bottom. Really, really nice detail. There's 4 seats that are all the same. Really, really nice. Just a little bit of cleanup, not much at all. Dashboard. Very nice. Like I said, just a little bit of cleanup. I was expecting much worse. But this is my first 3D printed resin that I've ever bought. So this is the center console. And I was expecting to have to scratch build a shifter, but it's actually there. See it right there? A couple of supports to cut off, but no big deal. A little bit of cleanup on this too, but it's amazing to me. This 3D printing is just amazing. And there are 4 brakes. Very nice brakes. A little bit undersized. I don't know, I'll have to look at pictures of the real car, but when you put them behind, hold on. When you put them behind the wheels, you don't see much of the brake. I'll have to look at the real car and see if you can see how much of the brake you can see. You might need just a little bit bigger brake. And of course, some merch. He puts a card, recommended prep, a keychain, and a sticker. Oh, wait a minute. And a button. Thank you, Iceman. This is well worth the money that I paid for it. Make sure you go to Iceman Collections, link down below, and get yourself one, because no model company is going to make these. So if you want one, you better get one quick. Thanks, and I'll talk to you next time. You still here? Go ahead and watch the next video. Hit the subscribe button.